Hi friends, due to COVID and recent lockdown situations, there is a dramatic increase in the number of people complaining about bad breath. When you are quiet for more than 4 hours and then you talk to someone suddenly, you should not expect floral scent from your mouth. Obviously, you will smell bad. That is normal. However, in some people, the bad breath is persistent and it is called halitosis. Most often, they become shy to talk in the groups and they feel embarrassed if somebody knows about it. It disturbs their personal, social and professional life. Bad breath is due to bacteria in the mouth. In some cases, it is a sign of tooth decay or underlying gum disease. In this video, we will look at one excellent remedy for bad breath which is very easy to use anytime and anywhere. This works effectively for short-term bad breath as well as for the chronic conditions. If you have tooth decay or gum disease, this also addresses the root cause of bad breath and resolves it fully. For this we need Dill Seeds. Dill Seeds are very powerful when it comes to oral hygiene. They contain flavonoids, antioxidants and anti-microbial properties that prevent teeth and gum infections. Chewing Dill Seeds works as effectively as commercial mouthwash in preventing bad odor. Fennel Seeds. Fennel seeds, also called as samph, are outstanding mouth freshener and are commonly chewed after food to help in digestion. Chewing fennel seeds increases saliva production that clears away bad breath causing bacteria. Not only that, it has aromatic oils that keeps your mouth fresh for a long time. Cardamom seeds. Cardamom seeds have aromatic sweet flavor that instantly sweetens your breath. It prevents the growth of bacteria causing bad breath and helps in promoting fresh odor. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are tiny powerhouse of calcium that helps in healthy teeth and gums. Moreover, they prevent plaque formation, treats gum diseases like gingivitis and bleeding gums. Sesame seeds don't directly freshen your breath but treats the underlying cause. Dried rose petals. Dried rose petals help to provide floral, refreshing and naturally clean breath. If you don't want floral smell, you can replace it with dried mint leaves. Let's see how to make this. The process is very simple. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of dill seeds, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Slightly dry roast them on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Dry roasting improves fragrance, eliminates any toxic substances and helps in easy digestion. Switch off the stove after 3 minutes of roasting. Let them cool down. Once they are cooled down, take them into a mixing bowl. To this, add half tablespoon of cardamom seeds. Cardamom seeds are tiny but they have very powerful aroma. To this, add 1 tablespoon of slightly crushed dried rose petals. As I said, if you don't want floral smell, you can replace with half tablespoon of dried parsley leaves or mint leaves. Parsley leaves instantly improves your breath. Just mix them all once and store them in some small portable jar like this. You can carry them anywhere and chew them between meals, or you can chew whenever you feel like you are getting bad breath. Make sure to chew it fully and swallow. After chewing this mix thoroughly, have 1 glass full of water. You will enjoy refreshing sweet breath. This is completely made of sugar-free ingredients, no preservatives, no additives and 100% healthy. You can store this at room temperature up to 1 year. Thank you.
Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.